fish.
What's up guys, thanks for coming back for another video. Today it's going to be me and Chris. What we're going to do is look through an extensive amount of like crazy street racing videos. Okay, we kind of got a little bit off topic, like straight away. I'm going to blame Newthy because he was talking about India or some shit. So yeah, basically, nah. What's gone wrong with them? We're going to just obviously talk about them and hopefully have a bit of a laugh.
I think you should find some driving in India. They're fucking bait.
Why have they got so many people?
Six.
Look, they got a dog there, they got a dog.
Yeah, that's bad. I'm just going to fucking carry a bag.
But what's the point in having, like... That's so bait though. This guy, this main guy, like, no, sorry. Look how happy this guy looks. He's like so
kids.
Proud. He's so proud that he's got his whole family on a bike.
It's better than having a push bike, no? Like a fucking wheelbarrow.
Yeah, I guess. Car crash compilation in India.
Things, they're just fucking bait, aren't they?
He's going to bail in a minute. He's going to bail in a minute.
Oh.
Why is the... Right, hang on. Who even made this road? This road here, why is there like 2 foot gap, like off the side of that?
It's a fucking drop.
What is a... why?
I don't know, mate.
Oh, shit!
I didn't even see that. Rewind it.
Surely at this point they're thinking...
Is that a fucking kid?
High-speed crashes.
This
film may be inappropriate for young.
You better not watch it.
I'm older than you. That's an instant death, surely.
Oh shit!
Oh, let's go down again. What the f... What is this person doing? It's
not even funny, but...
What is this person... Why are you laughing?
Why are you fucking...
Nearly wipes out this guy here on the motorbike. This motorbike, literally, you are very lucky.
I'm sorry, that guy's probably dead.
What, this person here?
Yeah.
I wonder what music he was playing. I bet he was playing some
Titanic, I think.
Oh my god.
Fucking brutal. Concentrate.
Have you seen these videos on Live Leak of these people like in China getting ran over by like forklifts and stuff? How are they that stupid?
Taking innocent people out.
This guy is blatantly on his mobile phone right now. He's just drifted into the middle.
I think a few of them have been. And then panics last minute and gets fucking T-boned.
Terrible.
Like, that's fucking dumb. Lost it as soon as he could. He obviously pushed the brake and the weight shifted, I reckon. And he just
you're a rally
lost
driver.
the car. Yeah.
Out of the way, people.
Oh shit. Should we watch some Super... See, that's just fucking ridiculous. I was passed out or something. He's just done like a fucking side swipe through each lane. That's quite common.
Right.
Well, at least he's in a garage.
Why is it in America you can see all these people, they're carrying houses on the back of trucks?
Looks like a garage to me.
Well,
at least he's parked in it. If he's out, he should have a shower.
Snow.
See, that's just fucking stupid already.
Travelling at speed on snow.
It's fun.
He's gonna lose control in this.
Oh
shit, was it even that guy?
Just fucking hell, he's doing like a fidget spinner.
Beyblades, you know, Beyblades, like, woo! Whip that shit.
That's fucking sick when you're like 6.
Mm.
What?
Boing. Super car fails. What you know? Mate, that's a Supra!
Is it?
Yeah. I swear I've seen this before. Yeah, look at this. Why you cut?
Things, the house like built of wood, isn't they? So they just fucking drive straight through it. Not even that bad, is it?
What's he doing? Look at everyone with their phones out.
It's a piece of crap.
Nobody wants to help the fella. Everyone just wants to record it and put it on their social media.
Bummer. Things, these are brutal because you get charged for like barriers and all sorts, don't you?
Oh come on, that's nothing.
Yeah, but still, it's not nice.
Still.
I can just camera it over the curb.
Look at his missus in there. She looks impressed. Look at that. Oh, wait.
She smiles at the
camera. We survived.
No. What a fucking dickhead!
How much is Lamborghini Gallardo?
What, when they went, I don't know, probably 100.
What is he doing? He's going to stall the engine or something, surely.
That's understandable.
Diablo.
When you just... like that, like...
You been drinking or what? Oh, he smacks it. Yeah, I've seen this before. He chucks something at him or like something.
Why though?
Listen.
Oh, fuck.
What the fuck is the point? I
Cat him out first.
Exactly.
4 bags.
Catch fight, yeah.
Oh, fuck.
That happened to a few of them.
Why have they... Right, okay. Have a look at this, yeah? Number plate, yeah? Watch a number plate. 4 BAV, yeah?
Yeah, Bav.
Now, whoever edited this video, they got some serious skills, because look at this. Wait. Oh, we better blur the number plate 5 seconds after the fucking thing happens.
Good on Bav, innit? But
why? What's the point in that?
Bav didn't want anyone to know. Fucking Bav.
That's it. That's it. Yeah, blow it. What?
Piss off.
What's the... So, well done for Bav.
Yes, Bav.
Well done for trying for Bav.
Bavy.
But you failed.
Bavy Bing Bong.
That's it. Drive it down the road. That might help, you know. Call it off.
Just fucking floor it in reverse into a water fountain.
Street drifting fails. Just want to say, in my videos in total, I've had like over 500,000 views across all my videos. Thank you guys for all of that. Obviously, I'm growing pretty fast at the moment, so if you want to be a part of my movement, a part of...
How much taller are you going to get?
What?
You said you're growing pretty fast.
My channel was growing pretty fast, but yeah.
My dick's growing pretty fast.
Putting that in. Showing off in his Mustang. That was a Mustang,
that's
right?
a piece of shit one though.
Poor man Mustang.
In my opinion. Not that I could afford one. But...
Hey everybody, look at me. I'm going to lose control of my Mustang.
Mate, how the fuck did he get away with that?
Oh my god. Oh, look, another Mustang.
Horrible.
Another Mustang.
I don't think they're actually trying to drift. I think they're trying to drive straight.
What's he doing?
I've seen this. This is at Cheltenham.
Oh, is that Cheltenham?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, fuck.
I'm not sure how you went that day.
Please get hit. These bad boys in the hood. Oh
Yeah,
shit.
Oh. He got drops his fucking gun. Is that a gun?
Damn. He's gonna wipe somebody out, surely.
Sick whip.
That whip is terrible. Oh! What's he fell out of his car?
He runs himself over. What the fuck?
He fell out of his car. What? How did you do that?
What even is that car?
If you know what this car is, write it down in the description because I have no fucking idea what this is.
Like old Vauxhall fucking Cavalier type.
How would you fall out? I think he runs over his leg as well.
He does. That'd fucking.
That's it, mate. Try and drag it. Go on.
You just jump in, rip that e-brake. Like, stuff like this is just fucking dumb. I don't know whether it's more the crowd's fault or whether it's the people driving, because they like get closer and closer, don't they?
Here we go, arrow.
But these dudes are they're crazy over there, aren't they? They just go flat out and do dumb shit.
Oh!
He's out.
He hit the deck hard, mate. So, Chris, where did this go wrong?
Looks like he just did right there, mate. I think when he fell out the window, mate. I think
Douche.
Yeah, like, why? Where is fucking seatbelt?
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you slap a like on this video. Subscribe if you're new. I've got currently 2,600 subscribers. I'm still growing, but it's thanks to you guys and everybody that's obviously watching this video now. yeah, basically just want to say a massive thank you to all you lot and everyone that's supporting me to help me achieve my main goals in life. You may not think it, but just liking a video, subscribing, it really does give me a boost every single day to keep, you know, making content for you guys. So yeah, I really do appreciate that. If you do have any videos that you want me and Newthy to watch, anything like that, I'm going to link you down in the description right now to my Facebook page, my B8BLX Facebook page, so drop a like on that one as well. Send me a DM with the video link or something like that, and if we get a good collection, then obviously we could do a review in the future. But yeah, got anything to say?
Nah.
Okay, back to watching, and I'm gonna end every video by this saying, yeah, it means a lot to me. So I'll leave you with this: your thoughts create your reality.